Warning, you are being lied to about Bitcoin right now, and it needs to stop. There are so many lies being spread about Bitcoin's 2-month candle and 3-month candle, and these lies are being spread like wildfire throughout the crypto space. This needs to stop now, and we are going to put an end to it. We're going to cover the facts, everything you need to know with factual evidence about the 2-month candle and the 3-month candle, and how these can be devastating for the crypto market. We're going to clear the air. We're going to provide the facts, and you are going to leave with a sense of clarity and the truth as to one of the largest things that could happen to Bitcoin in recent memory. Let's get into it. Attention altcoin fans, you're about to miss out on my recent exclusive altcoin video. You do not want to miss that. If you're on the email list, it's completely free. Go check your inbox right now. If you're not on the email list, you can unlock this video right now, but this is your last chance. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com, takes 2 seconds, plug in your information, and voila, in your inbox will be the beautiful video you have been waiting for. Don't miss out. Hi, I'm Steve. I quit my job over 13 years ago, been traveling the world since, thanks to my trading and investing skills. Join me for sponsorship-free TA with genuine value that actually works. Subscribe. This is the total market cap, and we are on the 2-month chart. And what Bitcoin has just printed is a gravestone doji candle. This, by definition, is found at the tops of a rally and can spell an absolutely devastating trend reversal. Now, when you look at it, this is the total market cap. So in the total market cap, what we have is what we saw play out with our market structure. If you go back to 2018, we had our wick high in 2018. Again, total market cap is Bitcoin and all altcoins. This was our total high in 2018. And when we rallied above that, we went to our new all-time high. This is our first top. This is our double top in 2021. And then we reversed down. We had a crash. So we had a crash from our double top, and we reverted in an extraordinary manner, crashing down. And when we got here in June 2022, we called bottom. Why did we call bottom? We had a nice wick off of our market structure from 2018. And we ended up having a double bottom call in November of 2022 when we double bottomed, quite literally, right on top of our market structure. After that, we went on a ridiculous rally, right? When you look at the total market cap back here, 746 billion, our double bottom. And from there, we went on an absolute tear, but back into the same area that we struggled with our double top of 2021. We ended up building ridiculous market structure in the time making that, right? We built our double bottom, and we had that resistance level right here from our whole bottom, and we started building structure right on top of that. It was really a beautiful thing to see. 8 months in a row, because these are 2-month candles, we built structure directly on top of our bottom. This was a sign that a large move was about to happen, and that's exactly how it played out. We ended up going parabolic, right? These 3 big green candles. What you love to see about them is this was big, this was bigger, and this was even bigger. The bodies of these candles were getting bigger as they approached our previous double top. The problem is, once we got to that critical market structure, which is right here at about 2.2 trillion. Once we rallied up to that structure, which is the same structure of our first top and the market structure of after our double top, it's that same structure Bitcoin rallied right into, the 2.2 trillion, and we were met with resistance. The good news is we had 3 candles that were getting progressively bigger as we entered into this area. The bad news is what happened right after that. Tilt your phone to the side and subscribe. Since we showed tremendous weakness directly at this level, we failed to close above it in the following candle. In fact, the following candle was a devastating candle. It opened and closed right around the same area. It rallied all the way up past 2.2 trillion, all the way up to 2.7 trillion, only to come crashing down and close right where it opened, making, by textbook definition, a gravestone doji candle, which is one of the biggest bloodbath candles there are, especially if it's found at the top of a rally. Also, if it's found with resistance at the same market structure of our first top and after our second top. It held resistance at all of that same structure while having a large wick to the upside, which only tells you that large profit taking was happening when we entered into these areas. And it was like a domino effect where the dominoes started to fall and more smart money started to take profits. And we see ourselves with this candle, which is incredibly rare, right? So by definition, this is a gravestone doji candle. We showed it to you on a multitude of videos and the comments started flooding in. Steve, well, you showed the 2-month candle, but the 3-month candle is super bullish. So why would you just show the 2-month candle and not the 3-month candle? All of these lies started being spread across social media. Well, the 2-month candle might not be good, but the 3-month candle is amazing. Tilt your phone to the side and subscribe. Bitcoin is sitting pretty. Bitcoin is exactly where it wanted to be. Lie after lie started spreading like wildfire, and we've got to put a stop to it. The 2-month candle, make no mistake, there's no way to discuss it in any bullish manner, period. So let's look at the 3-month candle. 3-month candle. What have we done, right? When you're in the 2-month candle, each candle quite literally represents 2 months of price action for all of the crypto space. Not just Bitcoin, not just altcoins, it's everything. When you go to the 3-month candle, it's literally all data for 3 months inside of one candle. And we're looking at literally the same structure, right? That bottom line that I put, which I quite literally marked the market structure of our first top and our double top, now you can see it more clearly. And you can see these large wicks that happened when we reached our proper market structure. It was heavily sold off, right? And you can see what happened after that, right? We rallied up, we built some market structure here, and we started rallying with this candle, and this candle was bigger. Has this candle confirmed as market structure on top of what our resistance was, like everybody was saying in the comments? No, absolutely not. What did this candle do? Yes, this candle is big. Yes, this candle is green. Yes, this candle's body did close in this gap, but it hasn't done anything. Closing inside this gap is a little pat on the head, like, oh, that was cute. It hasn't done anything. If this body literally closed above this white line here on top, okay, that is bullish. That is very bullish, but it didn't do that. It didn't even get close. It had a little bit of its body close inside of the danger zone. Oh, okay, that's kind of cute. But then we'll take it a step further. What about this candle that we're in here? Because this candle is going to close in a handful of days. What does this candle tell us? Because this is what they're not telling you. They've been telling you in the comments that this candle right here is incredibly bullish and Bitcoin is just fine. And I'm here to tell you that is complete BS in every way, shape, or form that we can identify facts, right? To take it a step further, this red candle here looks pretty harmless. It's not harmless. This is a dangerous candle. By the way, it still has a handful of days to go, but I just want to show you that this could be a bearish hammer candle. A bearish hammer candle is found at the tops of rallies and could spell a trend reversal. It has a thicker body towards the top, little to no wick, and a long lower wick. What it suggests is that the opening and close were up here. However, we had a long lower wick. One might think a long lower wick is a bullish scenario, but again, it was bought up. It does show bullishness, but when you look at it at the top of a rally, this is a warning sign. Again, this candle has not printed, but if you look at this candle and the one before it, there is literally no bullish argument that you can make, right? There's no bullish argument. There's also less of a bearish argument given this green candle on the 3-month. But there's no bullish scenario. I saw so many comments on our videos that, oh, don't worry about the 2-month candle. We're just fine on the 3-month chart. We are not just fine. There's nothing about it that suggests Bitcoin is fine. A bearish reversal hammer candle is not fine. That's not good at all. So let's look at just Bitcoin. The chart I just showed you is all of Bitcoin and all the ridiculous altcoins. Let's get rid of the ridiculous altcoins and let's just look at the granddaddy, Bitcoin. And how does this look on the 2-month scale and the 3-month scale? Well, the 2-month scale, again, with a gravestone doji being plain and simple right in front of our face, undeniable. We've already covered what that is. Let's look at the 3-month chart. The 3-month chart is even a stronger bearish hammer candle, even a stronger, right? A longer lower wick, a little bit of a thinner body, but still thick. This is not good, right? And how about this 3-month candle? We put our resistance area right here for Bitcoin at about 61K. Now you may say, well, this green candle closed above here. Who cares? This is completely irrelevant. What we need is the whole body to close above that red line. Anything else is completely irrelevant. Attention altcoin fans, you're about to miss out on my recent exclusive altcoin video. You do not want to miss that. If you're on the email list, it's completely free. Go check your inbox right now. If you're not on the email list, you can unlock this video right now, but this is your last chance. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com, takes 2 seconds, plug in your information, and voila, in your inbox will be the beautiful video you have been waiting for. Don't miss out. So let's get these facts straight. Is this bullish? Hell no. What would make it bullish if this whole body closed above here? How about this next candle that closes in a handful of days? Is that bullish? No, it's the opposite of that. Can a lot change over the course of now and the end of the month? Of course, but I just wanted to present the facts in the way that they are on the chart without any emotional ties. I wanted to give you the straight facts because I know it's confusing. A lot of people in the comments will say, oh, this and that, oh, Bitcoin is this. Let's make no mistake about it. On the 2-month scale, this is a gravestone doji followed by an indecision candle. On the 3-month scale, this is not a bullish candle followed by a potential bearish hammer candle. Those are just the facts. Take it for what it's worth, but I wanted to get the facts out there. Share this video with as many people who will listen, and we will get to the bottom of it. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs. This bull run is our road to 500,000 subscribers, but I need your help. Today, tell one person about our YouTube channel, how we spit facts, go against the herd, take no paid sponsorships of any kind. Road to 500,000, let's go.